And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand blue iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Inside of the box is a cool little hologram. The iPhone 15 Pro Max Clearlock blue Magicstand case. So as you can see, it has a little Casekoo logo here and says Magicstand here. Volume rockers, power button, charging port and speaker grill, camera cutout, and the best part, a completely clear back with the Magicstand. So you're able to just fold this out and set your phone like that or like that. You can also use it to help hold your phone and of course fold it out of the way when you don't need it. But this has a nice blue tint all the way around the edges with the back being completely clear, and the ring here is blue as well from your Magicstand. Just a very beautiful Clearlock Magicstand case. Also, you have a little pamphlet about your Magicstand and some cool Casekoo stickers. Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who are nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max transparent case. Inside of the box is a nice little hologram. I like it. But this is the Clearlock iPhone 15 Pro Max case. As you can see, this case is completely clear all the way around. Little Magicstand logo there. Didn't notice that before. Casekoo logo there. Cutout for your charging port and speaker grill. Volume rockers, power button, camera cutout. And then the coolest feature is the Magicstand. This one just folds right out for you. You can set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone and of course put it away when you don't need it. The ring here is a nice bright white and the rest of the case is completely clear and transparent all the way around. A very nice iPhone 15 Pro Max Magicstand Clearlock case. You also get a little detail about your Magicstand and of course some cool Casekoo stickers. Thanks again to Casekoo for sending me this Clearlock Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.